Tailgate ladders are a must-have for anyone who frequently uses their truck bed. These ladders easily attach to the tailgate of a pickup truck, providing a safe and convenient way to access the bed. Made from durable materials, tailgate ladders are designed to withstand the weight of heavy loads and provide stability while climbing up and down. They fold up compactly for storage, making them a great addition to any truck owner's toolkit. Whether you're hauling cargo or just need to access your truck bed, a tailgate ladder is a smart investment for any pickup truck owner. 1. Traxion 5-100 Tailgate Ladder. The Traxion 5-100 Tailgate Ladder is a sturdy pickup truck tailgate ladder that can support up to 300 pounds. It is easy to install and can be deployed in seconds, significantly reducing the strain on users as they get in and out of the bed of their truck. The ladder secures neatly against the tailgate and stays out of the way of cargo. 2. Beach Lane Pickup Truck Tailgate Ladder. Beach Lane Pickup Truck Tailgate Ladder is a universal fit ladder that attaches to your bed tailgate and easily folds out when needed. It extends up to 45 inches and comes with ultra-durable mounted aluminum step grip plates for increased traction, sturdy rubber ladder feet and bigger straps that come with a durable palm buckle. The ladder has a sturdy base and connection point to the ground. It is useful for those who own a pickup truck as it makes getting in and out of the bed easy and safe. 3. Chellhead Truck Tailgate Ladder. The Chellhead Truck Tailgate Ladder is a sturdy and durable ladder that can be mounted on the left or right side of any truck with heights 28 inches to 45 inches. It has a weight capacity of 300 pounds and comes with ultra-durable mounted aluminum step grip plates for increased traction. The ladder also has rubber feet for added stability and reduces the strain on you as you get in and out of the bed of your truck. It is easy to install and folds neatly to the tailgate. 4. Duo YU Foldable Tailgate Ladder Kit. The ladder can hold up to 660 pounds and is compatible with trucks with heights ranging from 28 inches to 45 inches. The ladder is easy to install with direct bolt-on installation and can be removed easily with repair tools. When in use, the ladder deploys in seconds and reduces the strain on your body as you get in and out of the bed of your truck. When not in use, it folds and secures neatly against the tailgate. 5. SKTYANTS Tailgate Ladder. The SKTYANTS tailgate ladder is made of high-grade steel and has a black powder coating to prevent rust and scratches. It has a load capacity of over 300 pounds, a maximum standing height of 42 inches, and can be telescoped to the length you need. The ladder has sturdy rubber feet with anti-slip pads for greater friction strength and stability. It is easy to install and comes with buckles, straps set and stainless steel self-tapping screws kits. 6. LDETXY Tailgate Ladder. Made of high-quality metal steel, it is super load-bearing, anti-corrosive, rust-proof, stable, and safe. Its special detachable design consists of an upper and lower part, making it space-saving and convenient for transport. The ladder has a special lock device that can be well locked to the tailgate after use. With easy installation and all mounting hardware included, the ladder eliminates the danger of bumping and jumping when climbing into the truck bed.